successful design project begins with creativity, focus, and a clear vision. Understanding data and audience insights helps create designs that truly make an impact.
Strong visual strategies help businesses communicate their message more effectively and connect with the right audience.
Professional editing and attention to detail transform good content into great content.
Behind every successful brand is a creative team working together toward a common goal. Planning and organizing ideas is an essential step in every graphic design project. Presenting creative solutions helps businesses build stronger connections with their audience. Effective design and marketing strategies can help businesses achieve outstanding results. Modern communication tools make collaboration easier, no matter where your team is located. Great design is not just about appearance. It is about creating real value for a brand. At Creative Boost Media, we turn ideas into powerful visuals that inspire growth and success. Good design attracts attention, but great design builds success. Like and share MY channel for more videos.